Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Alaska Airlines plane ticket in 2024. So whether your travel plans have changed or you just need to cancel maybe your flights, knowing how to get a refund from Alaska Airlines is essential. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to request a refund for Alaska Airlines plane tickets. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. Before requesting a refund, it's important to understand Alaska Airlines refund policy. Alaska Airlines offers different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares like first class and the main cabin refundable can be refunded, while non refundable fares might only be eligible for credit towards future travel. For more information, make sure to visit the Alaska Airlines website. So to do so, go and open a browser. For me, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this wherever you want. Go to the URL section. All you need to do, just type Alaska Airlines like refund policy. As simple as that. Go to this first link, click on it to see if you are eligible for a refund. And of course, you can go to the Alaska Airlines right away. And before, like if you're sure, first of all, you are eligible for a refund, you just want to refund your trip, all you need to do basically is click on manage trip right here. Of course, like if you don't have an account, if you have an account, this will be even much easier. But if you don't have an account, for example, and you catch your flights as a guest, you can simply just go here and click on manage trip, enter your passenger last name and confirmation code, click on continue. Once you find it, click on cancel. Once you click on cancel, you'll find an option to refund it. Request a refund. Click on it, fill up all the form and information, and they will respond to you after 7 days. And they, of course, and they'll refund it to your payments, like whether you pay with, whether it's a credit card or something like that, PayPal or something like that. They respond to you within 7 days. If you pay cash or through other options, maybe it will take like 20 days, 20 business days, I guess, or something like that. And of course, if you have an account, as I said, it will be much easier. So you can just go and click on sign in into your account, go to your trips right away and or reservations. Click on the reservation or trip that you want to cancel. Click on cancel. You will find this right there. Click on cancel and you can request a refund. As I said, this is if you're 100% sure that you're eligible for a refund. So you don't have to read any refund policy. If you're not sure, as an example, you'll have to read this. So first of all, is your ticket eligible for online cancellation or ticket refund or credits? To cancel your tickets, of course, online and receive a refund or credits, your purchase reservation must have been issued at alaskaair.com, which is this website, of course, Alaska Airlines reservation call center, or on Alaska tickets counter, either one of those three places. Not contain a saver fare beyond the first 24 hours after booking. So if you're on saver fare, as example, which is this fare, you will be able to get a refund and cancel your flight, but just within 24 hours. After that, you will not be able to. You'll not be eligible for a refund. Not contain a government fare. Clear. Not be more than 1 year from date of original purchase, or for partially used tickets. Not be more than 1 year from original outbound travel date. So what does that mean? For some people, they just go and book their tickets or their trip. They cancel it because of some circumstances and they leave it like that. They don't refund it. Maybe after 2 years, oh, they're just going to catch another flight and they remember or they find in their account, oh, they didn't like refund this. So they go and refund it. But 1 year already passed. So the refund will not be accepted. Make sure it's not be part of a group or vacation package booking. So if you book a flight or a trip as a family, a lot of members, you will not be able to refund just one person. Maybe, as an example, a family of 4 members, 3 members are still going, but another one is not going anymore. Maybe don't want to go anymore for any reason. That's not possible. You'll not be able to refund just with that one person. Either you refund everything or you don't refund it at all. Not contain an An accompanied minor booked on a carrier other than Alaska Airlines. Very clear. Have been tickets using US dollars as the form of currency. If you like pay with another currency, it seems like you cannot. Of course, refundable reservations that meet the criteria above may be refunded to original form of payment. Wholly unused non-refundable reservation, including saver fares, cancelled within 24 hours, as said before, of initiates purchase, may be refunded to original form of payment as long as travel commerce more than 24 hours after booking. You can review, of course, the 24-hour cancellation policy from here, as you can see, for more information. So this is specified for people who canceled their flights within 24 hours of booking their tickets. As you can see, so cancel your flights within 24 hours of purchase for a fully refund or make changes to your itinerary within 24 hours of purchase with no change fees. So planning a trip, etc. As you can see, how does work? If you need to cancel your flight, we'll refund you the cost of your in-use ticket. And if you need to change your flight, you can do that. You can do so one time without paying any change fee. As you can see, in a purchase note, the 24-hour cancellation privacy policy applies to tickets booked for travel starting more than 24 hours from the time of purchase. And for tickets purchased within 24 hours of departure time, our standard change and cancellation policy applies immediately after ticketing. And you will still be responsible for any fare increase and tax that apply for your new itinerary. As example, if you book a flight for $600 and you change it for another one for 700, you'll pay 100 more. And with this policy making changes, simple and affordable, go ahead, you can get started your booking flights right now, as you can see. And now, worry free for saver fares, no changes are allowed, but you may cancel or refund your tickets as described above. And refunds may take, of course, up to 7 business days to be returned to the original form of payments, as I said before. So, yeah, that's basically it. Of course, other information like, an example, after 24 hours, non-refundable tickets may be issued to credits certified or credits like deposits into my wallet. Applicable change fees will be charged at the time the credit certificate or deposits is issued. If your reservation is not eligible for online refund or credits, you may still cancel it online. To clear any service request, make your seats available for those who still traveling. For more contact, for more information, of course, you can contact them. As simple as that. That's it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.